Time for Fact File. Hard disk was invented by IBM team lead by Ray Johnson. It is considered as the father of disk drive. CD stands for compact disc. It is an optical storage device. A CD is a thin, shiny, circular disc that can store up to 700 MB of data and measures 4.7 inches in diameter. A CD can hold text, graphics, sounds, images, and videos. It can be used for data backup and holding software. To access data from a CD, we need to place it in the CD drive, which is located in the front panel of the CPU box. DVD. The full form of DVD is Digital Versatile Disc or Digital Video Disc. It is an optical storage device used for data storage and for recording movies with high video and sound quality. Though a DVD is similar to a CD in shape and size, but it can store data 6 times more than a CD. The storage capacity varies from 4.1 GB to 17 GB. Let us do an activity using a CD or DVD for better concept clarity. Press the push button present on the CD or DVD drive. The tray will slide out. Place a CD or DVD in it and press the push button. The tray will move in. If the CD or DVD has auto run program, the CD or DVD will start running automatically. If the CD or DVD does not play automatically, double-click on the CD drive icon in the computer folder. It will display its contents. To open any file, just double-click on it. Blu-ray disc. It is a new optical disc format that can store 25 GB of data on its single side and 50 GB on its dual sides. Its storage capacity is 5 times more than that of a DVD. The size of a Blu-ray disc is similar to a DVD or CD. It is mainly used for storing high-quality sound, games, and movie data. This disc has derived its name Blu-ray disc from the blue-violet laser that is used to read and write data on it. Flash drive. It is popularly known as pen drive and the most popular data backup device. It is a plug-and-play device and can be connected to the USB Universal Serial Bus port. It is a small, lightweight, and removable drive. It is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. A flash disk can store up to 1 terabyte of data and is further planned to have its capacity up to 2 terabytes. Flash drives are faster in accessing data and are more reliable. Memory card. A memory card is a storage medium for portable devices like mobiles, digital cameras, and music players. It can be easily removed for access by a computer. These devices transfer image and music files into a computer by using memory card reader that can be connected to a computer through a USB cable. Nowadays, most of the laptops come with inbuilt card reader port. Let us see an example. A multimedia card in a digital camera or mobile. A memory multimedia card is small in size, approximately the size of a postage stamp. Multimedia cards are available in various storage capacities ranging up to 128 GB. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. A computer memory is used for processing and storing data and instructions. Computer memory is of two types, primary and secondary memory. CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc and flash drives are the most popular secondary storage devices. Hard disk is fixed inside the CPU and contains all the data. Blu-ray disc is a new optical disc format that can store 50 GB of data on its dual sides. A flash drive is a plug-and-play device used for copying and moving data from one computer to another.